Welcome to my channel Divination 777. Today I'm going to do a reading for our lovely Sagittarians. So just keep in mind it's a general reading, so it will not resonate with everyone. So let's see what we have going on for our Saggies, for our lovely Saggies. What's going on? For our Sagittarians. A card fell down. Please see to read it. Hate it when cards fall down. This looks like a really good energy to me. So, Sagittarians, you guys are right now in Emperor mode. You could be male or a female, doesn't matter. We do not read gender in tarot. So, you are in this Emperor energy, and you could be like in a you could be some kind of advisor, maybe financial advisor, or you could be giving advice to people. Basically, you're in okay, first of all, this could be a career situation, family situation, love situation. Most probably I think it's either a career or a family situation. We'll get into the details and get the clarifying cards. So right now your energies, you are in this Emperor mode. You are like all strong and taking decisions and advising people around you, and for those of you who are dealing with some kind of some kind of project I'm getting. So you guys, the decisions you're taking in that project or the project that you're initiating, so like it's like you see, like you are in this Emperor energy and you're advising people. There's a team. So you are initiating, you're creating a team, or you have a team, and you are giving the advices you're giving to your team is actually making them break a kind of a, let's just say, a old habit, or maybe like let's just say it's your work area and you're the boss and you have a team, and your team members or your team in general had this pattern of doing, like they were doing things the wrong way. They had a habit of, you said something and then they listen and like okay, then they used to do it their own way, and that is why things were like stuck and you weren't getting the results what you wanted. It's because you gave the advice and your teammates were like, okay, fine, we'll do it, but they did what they wanted to. So that was what was keeping you stuck. So this time around, you are advising them in the Emperor mode, like you are being very firm and assertive. This is what you have to do, which is restoring balance and harmony in your career. This is a strong career read, which is restoring balance and harmony in your career. The wheel of fortune, the tables are turning. So the tables are turning, harmony is being restored because you are in this assertive energy, and those laid back, and you could be laid back. It's not just your team, even you could have. It's some kind of bad habit, a pattern is being broken here, and if it's a family situation, so your assertiveness to something you initiated, whatever decision you're taking or you're initiating or your advice you're giving, you're being firm about it, and your firmness is restoring balance and harmony in your family. and in your career. It could be actually both. You could be restoring balance and harmony in both areas, in your career and your family. And the wheel of, and because of your assertiveness, the tables are turning. The wheel of fortune is on your side, and you, since you're restoring balance and harmony, you are like just getting the abundance. Also, for some of you, I feel you could be passing on your legacy, like let's just say if it's career, so you are just passing on. You have decided ki, okay, I am going to pass my stuff. Like if like you want to retire and you're like, who should I pass on to, and you just decide like, okay, this is the person who can take my place and all that, and you want to, because you want to retire and be with your family now. So you could be passing on your legacy to someone, and the wheel of fortune is here. So luck is on your side. Everything is going to be great and abundant. I'll just get some clarification cards. So this is like the energy for now I'm getting, and it's a beautiful energy. This is already happening or is going to happen. Either way, it's just a nice energy till right now, Sagis. Okay, so what do we have? Why do we have so many cards? Just few cards. Oh, okay, so I am just you could be okay. So a lot of you guys, like I said, if you are if you're dealing with a family situation, your partner could be either Gemini, Libra, Pisces. It could be any zodiac. I'm just pointing out the zodiacs that are standing out very strongly in this reading. Taurus, yeah, so these are the strong signs standing out. It could be any zodiac. So we have the lovers here. Like if it's a love connection, so you're restoring balance and harmony in your love area as well. Basically, it's just so beautiful. Actually, there was a tower moment. There's something happened in your past which like struck everything and brought everything down, and it disturbed you a lot for a long time, and but you chose to keep moving. You chose, like, because when things came down, it was like, oh, this is such a beautiful thing I built, and it just came crashing down. So you were like, I'm getting a lot of you got sleepless nights, anxiety. Some of you could have been even admitted in the hospital. That's what I'm getting, because of the anxiousness or the stress you were going through. Some of you could have had blood pressure issues. It's not for all of you, it's just a general rating. So I'm just getting for some of you, like you could have blood pressure issues. You could have like let's just say very, very tensed you were. Okay, so this is the past energy I'm getting right now. And after some time, when this tower happened, after some time you decided to cut all the darkness. See, there's this darkness here. You decided this guy has a knife. It's like, okay, no, I'm going to cut this shit. I'm going to cut this shit here, and I'm going to go towards the light. So that's what you decided and that's how you came in the Emperor energy. I am going to cut off all the darkness and shine my light and fix whatever the situation is. I'm going to fix the situation, which is restoring balance and harmony in your love life, whether it be just a connection, marriage, anything. And you're going to restore you're restoring balance and harmony in your love life, in your family, and as well as career. So in like literally in all areas of life you are doing this, you did this. So this is like generally when I do readings, so I get what the issues are, and then I provide guidance, and the angels provide guidance how to deal with this. But this is like just so amazing. I mean, this, I don't think we actually really need kind of a guidance over it. This is just like to, I think this is the just to tell you that you are on the right path. What you are doing, the energy that you are in is great. It's like just, I think the only guidance I here would be, don't doubt yourself, just keep going. Like, you guys, you are here, just cut the cord, keep going. You're here, you're reaching the light, and you'll maintain this, you'll restore harmony and balance. I'm getting strongly, I'm just strong, I'm getting harmony, not just, you generally you'll restore balance in life, but harmony, it's like there was disharmony in some areas. So any area it is, you are restoring harmony in your family life, in your love life, and in your career as well. So it's like you went into all emperor mode and restored every, like, and you started like, okay, I am going to restore this, like, I'm going to fix everything. So that's just such an amazing energy. I'll just get messages for you from this card. Oh, purpose, you are on your higher path now. So I was like, yeah, what, I don't think I need to give guidance in this because you guys are already doing amazing. So that's why I took out the message card. So like, yes, you're on, like I said, don't doubt of yourself, you're on your right path. And here's the message from the angels, you are on your higher path now. So you are you are fulfilling the purpose that you were born for. We all are born for a purpose. So you are on your higher path now. So this is like just amazing, great energy. It's so abundant. It's like, okay, I am the emperor, fixing everything. Let's see if more messages. Do we have more messages for us, Ajis? Okay, so I was wondering what was what this tower, what happened in the past that struck everything down. So basically you had a lot of soul contracts. So you were dealing a lot of karmic people around you. Karmic could it's not necessary that your friends or just your lover can be karmic. Karmic relationships can be any. It could be your friends, your people in your career place, some people in your family, your relatives, anyone. So basically you were surrounded by karmics, and there was a toxic situation, big time toxic situation, and you had to go through this because you had soul contracts. So you had soul contracts with them, so you had to fulfill them, and you fulfilled all the soul contracts that were there. You eradicated your karma, and is like, okay, this is like, let's just say, like, you were dealing with, like, just say 4 toxic people, 4 people you had soul contracts. So it's like, okay, cut, this is knife. It's like, okay, cut this contract, done, charging towards the light. So yeah, so that's what you have been doing. That, so you, and since that's what you have been doing, and you have actually done it. For some of you, I'm getting, you have already done it, and you're already seeing and experiencing the harmony in your love life, career, and family around you. For some of you, you are going to experience it within this week or within next 10 days, because you guys are on your higher path, and you have, let's just say, you have cut out all the toxicity. You have, like, just like, yeah, like the emperor fights for their kingdom or palace or whatever. So you fought, you cut out all the toxicity, be it toxic situations, toxic people, you just cut them out, and you just charged ahead towards your abundance, and you are on your higher path and just restoring harmony. This is just a beautiful energy you are in. So some of you could already be experiencing this. Those of who are not experiencing this, who are still cutting out the toxicity, keep going, keep going. You'll just keep going. You will succeed, and you will experience the harmony. You will experience harmony in all areas of your life. So that is what I have for our lovely Sagis. It's a beautiful energy. So if this reading resonated with you, please comment down below and let me know. Subscribe, like and share my channel. Click the notification bell icon so that you are notified whenever my readings are uploaded. And if you want a personal reading from me, my email ID will be given in the description box down below. You can follow me on my Instagram. I put daily guidances up there. That detail will also be given in the description box down below. So I think that's a lovely reading, lovely energy. Great going, Sagis. So stay safe, stay healthy, stay happy.